I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na still Hope as in Rosie. You see, like as I dress, na like this na traditional attire for today. Abeg, you wey dey watch our video, when you watch, share, make other people dey enjoy, dey learn wetin you dey learn. Today we go talk about stop and search. Police get right to stop you, search you, to know whether you dey carry goods wetin you no suppose carry, whether you dey carry wetin law say make person no carry. Police get every right to stop you, search you. Now, one thing I wan teach una be say, if police stop you, dem wan search you, my brother, my sister, no allow police to search your car or search your anything wey dem wan search alone. No try am. Even though dem dey 10 wey stop you, anyone wey wan search your boot, follow that person. And why one dey search your boot, no allow another person to dey search front of your car. No allow am. Say one police dey search your boot, another one dey search your car. No, make 10 of them. If 10 of them wan search you, make 10 of them follow you go your boot, search your boot finish. As dem finish for your boot, make all of una follow go front seat, dem search your front seat. No make the mistake say one policeman dey search your boot, another one dey search front seat, another one dey search bonnet. No do am, no do am, no do am. And if dem wan do am, no gree. E dey against your right. You suppose dey present when police dey search your car or dem dey anything, even your house. When police wan search your house, you suppose dey present. You no need to dey outside your compound make police dey inside your house dey search your house. No be so dem dey take do search or stop and search. You need to dey present, dey see wetin dem dey search, make water no from there pass garri or water from there enter garri. Thank you.